Hey, it's shovelheadffej. Listen, as I'm editing the film, the video, I shot this video last night, and it was very spur of the moment, and it was too dark for me to be shooting what my camera was set on. I set my camera on manual. I don't set it on automatic, and I totally messed up. So the footage is really grainy, or in digital they call it a lot of noise. It is what it is, and I didn't want to shoot it because it came from my heart. It came from my mind. I mean, it came from right then. It was very a spontaneous video, and it's not that I'm lazy and I don't want to shoot it. The last thing I want to do is put out videos that make me cringe. But it is what it is, and I think if I would have reshot it, it just would have been fake, and it would have felt fake to me, and that's not what I'm about. The guy that I'm talking about, as me and my wife were talking last night, later on, there was 4 that went on this trip, and of those 4, this was about 2 years ago, 2.5, 3 years ago, and of those 4, 2 are now dead. 2 of those guys never got to see 70. They died in their mid-60s and late 60s. One was from cancer, and he didn't know it when he left to go on this trip. And the other one was from pneumonia, brought on by the recent whatever stuff, and he had no idea. And the whole meaning of this video is that, all we have is the breath that we have right now, and we're not guaranteed the next one. Don't be afraid to go out there and do what you want to do. Enjoy this wonderful life. It is beautiful. And that's it. All right. Sorry again about the quality. The quality is just, it's horrendous. It's terrible. It's my fault. But like I said, it is what it is. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll do better. All right. See ya. Peace. Hey, shovelheadffej here, and I'm on the porch again. I think I'll start calling this the back porch or the front porch diary. Today I'm actually on the front porch. But anyway, I was just having this discussion with my wife. And it kind of got me worked up. And I said, man, I just want to record this. When I started this channel, man, one of the reasons why I started this channel was to encourage men my age and women my age to go out and ride bikes, do things that kind of scares you, do things that get your heart racing a little bit, and also to encourage people to go out and do something. And we just had a friend very close to my wife die, and he died from the stuff that was going around. But also the truth of the matter was that he had issues going on that we didn't know about. Some other medical complications and stuff like that. And it's a touchy subject to talk about, because I'm really not allowed to talk about it on this channel, and so I have to be very, very careful of what I say. But the guy was a rider. He loved riding, loved Harley Davidsons, loved motorcycles. In fact, him and a handful of guys rode all the way out to California, went from Florida to California, literally went to the beach, took off their shoes, their boots, they stuck their toes in the water and said, okay, well, this is California, and then loaded up and headed back towards Florida. They were only in California long enough to put their toes in the water, and that was their bucket list, and they rode it back, and this was a couple years ago. And what I'm trying to say, and what I'm trying to impart to you, is that don't wait. You're never going to have enough money. You're never going to be slim enough. You're never going to be pretty enough. You're never going to have the right woman. You're never going to have the right man, whatever it is. If you're going to do it, and don't be afraid. Just go out there and do it. Don't waste any more of your life, especially when you're at my age. You can't waste any more time. When my father was up in his years, him and my mother were divorced, but he was married, and he lost a wife to cancer. And he started dating a woman a while after, after she died. He started dating a woman, and then the next thing I knew, they were getting married, and I was like, Dad, you know, it's kind of a quick courtship. And, you know, what he said was, you know, I'm almost 80 years old. How much time do you think I have? Do you think I can court her for 5 more years? And I guess he had a point. And that's kind of like the same way with people our age is, you know, man, one day turns into a week, that week turns into a year, and the next thing you know, it's 6 years, it's 10 years. If you're gonna do it, whatever it is, just go do it now. Don't just quit procrastinating, quit wasting time. Go out there, live your life, and enjoy your life. Don't be afraid. Um, and that's basically it. I don't even know if I'll even upload this. It was just something that I wanted to get off my chest. I just want to encourage you. Don't be afraid. Go out there and do it. Enjoy this life. That's what it's here for. And that's it, man. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you guys for all the great comments that you give me. Just at the end of the video, I'm just going to put a little clip of me spending my day. And I'm still finding my way out on these Friday videos, so if this one sucks, don't worry, I'll make another one that sucks even worse, and I may even make one that's better. So anyway, I appreciate it, man. Love you guys. Starting to get dark out here. The mosquitoes are eating my feet up. So peace, man. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Go, go. Go. Nothing like being into about a 2 mile of your jog and come across the snake. Kind of freaks you out, man. But he's just a rat snake, corn snake. I mean, they're harmless. Used to have them as pets. All right, I'm off.